Hello friends, today we are making this beautiful pattern. It looks the same from the both sides. You can use it as a bookmark, as a bracelet, as a headband, or you can use it as a lace as well. It is very easy to make. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start. Make slip knot. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now yarn over in fourth loop, pull the yarn, so yarn over, next loop, yarn over, we repeat the same steps till the last loop. Now the last loop, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Here in the fourth loop we will repeat the same steps, yarn over, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull the yarn 2 times from this loop. Now another loop we have down here, yarn over in this loop, here, one, two, three, again we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 3 and turn your work. In this fourth loop down here we will repeat same steps 2 times in this loop, yarn over, and 3 times in this loop down here, 1, 2, and thumb. This is the 2, 3, third one, again chain 3 and turn, yarn over and repeat the same steps 2 times and 3 times. We'll follow the same steps. In the end, 2, again, the last one, put through, chain 3, yarn over, turn again, and here again we will follow the same steps. If you want to make a headband, you can crochet it as long as you need according to your head size. Then in the end you just need to, here where we make a chain 3, in the end chain 3, you can chain as long as you need according to your head size. Then tight the yarn at the other side as well, here, and chain same as the other side. For bookmark, you can crochet it as long as you like. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.